Do you want to verify your Meshcore companion Bluetooth setup? Today, I'll show you how to test it using two Heltec V3 nodes and two smartphones with the Meshcore app installed. Let's begin. First, pair each phone to its Heltec V3 via Bluetooth. Just enter the PIN code displayed on the Heltec's LED screen. Do this for both sets so each phone has its own companion node. Now, let's test. Open the Meshcore app on the right phone. Hit Connect and select your node. Wait for it to sync your contacts, channels, and offline messages. Now, repeat the exact same steps for the left phone. Let's check the channels. I have two set up. The first is a public channel which is completely unencrypted. The second is my private encrypted club channel. Let's send a message to the club channel from the right phone. Look at the left phone. A new message notification pops up instantly. Let's send a quick reply back. And there it is on the right. Next, the public channel. As you can see, it's already full of unencrypted global traffic. Let's drop a message here. It appears on the left phone instantly. To reply, just press and hold the user's name, type your text, and send. Perfect execution. Quick update. I also have a solar-powered Heltec V3 repeater running in my backyard. I'm testing its overnight battery life and seeing how it survives the winter. So stay tuned for those results. That's all for now. If this helped you, please consider subscribing. This is Alan, Victor Alpha 3 Bravo Hotel Yankee, 73.